called My Cup Runneth Over. He enjoys working, hanging out, and working. And his quote is, "Please fill these babies up." Mr. Don. All right, next one. Model number 2, Mr. Cortland McCoy. Show us what you got, baby. Woo, show them. All right, where do you know him from? He's also a Brookshires cadet. He is wearing the bra named Cuppy Cakes. His hobbies is to work, have fun, and then work a little more. Cortland told me today, "You cup these, I'll cup your face." Oh, sorry. Did I say that out loud? Mr. Cortland McCoy. And model number 3, a direct descendant from Mr. Gormani himself, Jake Gorman. You know him from the Tea Room, and you know him from